Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best movie and TV shows apps to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you need to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So firstly, we just go to a search bar on a Firestick, open search, and start typing downloader in the search bar. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for me at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app now, which you gotta get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because now you still need to set it up. We'll do it by going to settings, then clicking on My Fire TV, go to developer options, install unknown apps, and here you have to locate downloader and turn this option on. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So once again, you would open them, go to install unknown apps, and just turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just go back to a list of apps on our Firestick. Here it is, let's open it. And there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But then, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and it's time to locate the downloader application now. So here it is, you open it, wait a moment until it loads, and then we'll be using the search bar to get the apps to your device. So now we'll have to actually get 2 applications, One of them is the Movie app and another is a media player, which is required for the Movie app to work properly. So the first code we'll enter is going to be 4578535. So once again, 4578535. That is the first code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the first application has started successfully for us. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, it took around 5 seconds. Then you just click install and wait a bit until the app is fully installed. And then don't click open yet, instead press done, and then you get an option to delete the unnecessary files from your Firestick by just clicking delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And then we actually have to click home once again, erase the previous code, and now we need to also download the media player to your Firestick. It is needed for the Movie app to work. So the code for the second application is going to be 28211766. So once again, 28211766. That is the second code. After that, just click go, and now we'll start downloading the media player to your Firestick in a couple of moments, of course. That's right, the download of the media player has also started successfully. And just wait until it's fully finished. Then you click install and make sure that it gets installed properly. After that, again click done and make sure to delete the unnecessary files from your device. Then let's return back to a list of applications on your Fire TV stick. Here it is, let's open it. And now there at the bottom you will find this new application, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it's gonna be way easier for you to access that app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then you can finally open this new app. And now you get access to all the best movies and TV shows. I just had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all, and see you next time. Bye bye.